KZ Weather for Hunts Outboard Services Tully, servicing and repairing all makes and models of outboard motors at realistic prices.
Cairns to Innisfail, Tully and Mission Beach for the remainder of today. A sunny afternoon ahead of us. Winds east to southeasterly at 25 to 35 kilometres an hour. Fire danger today is rated high. Cardinal to Ingham and Townsville mostly sunny this afternoon, but a chance of showers near the coast tonight. Winds tending east to northeasterly at 15 to 25 kilometres an hour during the afternoon. Again with a high fire danger. Corumba and Normanton today, also a high fire danger for the region. Sunny with light east to northeasterly winds this afternoon. They're becoming southeast to southwesterly at 15 to 20 kilometres an hour in the late evening. For waters Cooktown to Kirkwall, southeasterlies 15 to 20 knots, reaching up to 25 knots north of Innisfail. Seas 1 to 1.5 metres, increasing up to 2 metres to the north of Innisfail. Cardinal to Bowen today, southeasterlies 15 to 20 knots, seas 1 to 1.5 metres. And the southeast Gulf near Corumba for the remainder of today. Winds tending east to northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, and then tending southeast to southwesterly during the evening with seas around 1 metre. Across the north, it's